Welcome back. So today I will be talking about HTML headings and HTML paragraphs. So HTML has 6 level of headings. It starts from H1 to H6. So headings are used for different sections or different parts of your website. So for example, either before a paragraph or after a paragraph to let the user know that a different section has started or make it easy for a user to find different contents in your website. And then the second thing I will be talking about is paragraphs. And paragraphs are, paragraphs. So yeah, let's go ahead get started. And the first thing what I will do, I'm gonna just go ahead delete that. So to like I said, there are 6 levels of headings. So the first one is the H1 and H. So you close that back. So header 1 is the most important header in your website, and then H6 is the least important. So you will see the difference here. So I will say this is headings 1. So if I go ahead and save this, you will see this big bold text over there. So that's your heading 1. And then if I'm gonna show you the least important, which is the header 6, and I will say this is header 6. And if I save this, you will see the difference. So there's a huge difference between header 1 to header 6. But like I said, it starts from header 1 all the way to 6. So you have 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's go ahead and do that. That will be that. So now I'm going to say header 2, 3, 4, and header 5 will be right here. So if I refresh it, you can see the difference. Oop, let me change this. So 4, 3, 2. So save this again. And as you can see, the higher the number it goes, the smaller the header will be. Like I said, H1 is the most important, and header 6 is the least important header. So as you can see, it goes all the way down to header 6. So yeah, that's your HTML headings. And now the second thing is the HTML paragraph. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete this. For you to start a paragraph, the first thing is a paragraph starts with a P, and now you close the tag and enter it, and inside there you can put in whatever you want. I could say hello, welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Ninja. So save that, and let's go ahead and refresh our website. So as you can see, it says hello, welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Ninja. So that's your basically paragraphs. Let's say I want to create a second one. This, I will say this is Ninja paragraph, Ninja header. So save that, and now I'm gonna start another header 2 and back close it. This is something else, and I'm gonna write a paragraphs there, and I'm gonna write a paragraph here. So let's say yes, this is something else, blah blah blah. So I'm gonna refresh it. So as you can see, that's the header, and then that's your paragraph, and then that's your next header, and then this is your other paragraph. So let's say you want to break this my name is Ninja from this line and have it in its own line. So it just says hello, welcome to this channel, and then go to next line and says my name is Ninja. For you to do that, HTML provides a break tag. And for to write a break tag, you say open the less than sign and breaks a br / and now close it with the greater sign and save this. So you will see the different when you click on it. See, it says YouTube. Yeah, so as you can see, it says hello, welcome to this channel, YouTube, because I put in the break tag right after YouTube. Oh, and I forgot the B in there. YouTube, and then it says channel. So if I want to put that break line after the YouTube channel, I will get rid of that and save it right here. And this, if I refresh it, so there you go. It says hello, welcome to this channel. My name is Ninja. So if you look at your HTML file, if I zoom in, see, this is all in one line, but whenever you have a break line, it will automatically break it for you. So what we can do is you can hit tab, and that way you don't get confused with when the break line starts. So that's exactly where it's gonna start, and you will see there. Yeah, so the same thing. Let's say if I want to do that after the else dot break, refresh it, and it breaks there. So yeah, that's your HTML headings and HTML paragraphs. And then in the next section, we will learn about HTML links to different website in your browser, or different pages inside your website. And then we will also talk about images, how to show images in your browser. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Please leave a comment if you guys have any questions, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys